BMW M2 CS is a further addition to our M portfolio, taking the M2 to the next level. With 444 horsepower, the M2 CS is perfect for the racetrack, but also a fantastic car for everyday use. And the good news for die-hard enthusiasts, it also comes with a manual transmission. There is even more. The M2 CS is the basis for the upcoming M2 CS racing. Amateur racing and club sports are a big part of BMW M. But now, let's take a look at the top model of our range, the BMW M8 Gran Coupe. The perfect combination of luxury, space, and high performance. With 617 brake horsepower, it sprints from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds straight. That's what you can expect from a BMW 4.4-liter V8 engine with M twin-power turbo technology.